Welcome everyone. I'm Jason Hopkins. In this video, I would like to share with you the benefit in having online success. Now, some of you might already know my story, and those that don't, um, for me, it all started back in 2011, where I was working, 10-hour a day shifts for 4 days a week, and just struggling to make ends meet. And one day a friend of mine, I grew up with, introduced me to, this community of, people where they help, they're helping, thousands who are, looking for ways to have more time freedom working from home. And, like most people, I was skeptical, I didn't, I didn't believe, these companies actually can do that for people. So what I did next was, I looked into the company, and when I did, wow, I was blown away by what I saw, and I was like totally just amazed by the presentation. So later on, I joined their team, and now I'm not with them anymore now, but that doesn't mean just because I change companies doesn't mean my vision changed. Um, what I see in these opportunities is being able to, create a lifestyle where I never have to show up for another, company's paycheck, where, I'm trading, time and talents for money, you know, and I can sit at home and, create my own paycheck, you know, create and be the master of my own destiny by putting in that work. You see, everyone that I know that I speak to, they always, they'll tell me the same story when it comes to, working a job is that, they wish they had more free time. And, most people, they wish more time with their family and have more time to vacation. You know, most jobs these days, they don't give you no vacation time. And some jobs, you probably get like maybe 10 days out of the year and that's that. And to me, that's a shitty deal. And the average person, they don't choose to live their life by design. They live in a norm, and they live that rinse and repeat lifestyle. So the benefit in working online and creating a lifestyle where having success, is having the abundance of free time. Guys, try to imagine, having all this free time and being able to go anywhere you want, being able to, shop when and wherever you want to shop, how good would you feel? Would feel good, wouldn't it? Being able to, be with your loved ones and, just have, having the freedom to, to do so much more than what a job, takes away is rewarding than a paycheck. You can't have this life if you're not willing and able to do whatever it takes. It's time for you to take charge of your time that will result, to a better life. That being said, um, I hope you got some value from this video. And if you did, please, share this with, your friends and your family. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for those that are watching on YouTube and you want more information about how you can create change in your life so you can have the freedom that you want, click the link below in the description box below the video. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Peace.